YouTube, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Prince, aka PKY, and I'm back with another video. And as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna be doing a tutorial today, a little 4-minute tutorial. I'm gonna be showing y'all the basics of cutting your hair or the basics of fading. So as y'all can see, we can get right into the video because the video is not that long, so we can get right into it. But as y'all can see, I'm cleaning my clippers, getting my clippers clean, disinfecting them. All y'all barbers know how we be, man. You gotta clean your clippers every time. But yeah, this is the before I started cutting my hair. So as y'all can see, this is the before I actually start fading and putting everything together. And we're gonna get straight into it, man. So first things first, I'm gonna create my bald line, as y'all can see with the trimmer. So I'm getting the mid taper fade right now. So I'm creating the line from where my ear meets my eyebrow. So as y'all can tell, that's what I'm doing right now. I always start with the trimmer, create a bald line, then I'm gonna clean it up as y'all seeing right here. So yeah, then we're gonna come straight in with the no guard lever open, create our second guideline. As y'all can see, we're going about 1 inch high into my hair, going about 1 inch high. We don't want to go too high because we have a limited amount of space to work compared to our actual fade. So yeah, then we're gonna come in with the 1 guard lever all the way open as well. Third, we're gonna create our third guideline, as y'all can see. Then we're gonna go right into 1.5 guard lever halfway open to debulk and create shape. I always come with the lever either open or halfway open, because you know you can always cut hair off, but you can put it on, you can put it back on. So then we're gonna start putting our work together. We're gonna blend, pull detail, all the work, all the lines that we created, the hard lines that we created. So that's what we're doing right now. But yeah, the key to cutting your own hair or blending your hair is patience, man. You gotta you gotta have patience whenever you're cutting your hair, especially when it's your first time cutting your hair. You gotta have patience because it takes a while. It takes a while to actually have it to perfection. But yeah, we put everything together. I did the other side. And yeah, this is the after. I put everything together, the fade. Y'all see the boy looking clean, the fade looking clean. But you're gonna give you a little 360. And yeah, man, this is looking clean. It's a little tutorial, but yeah. If y'all want more detailed tutorial of how to cut your hair and steps and everything, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, it's been your boy PKY. Let me know what y'all thought about the video. Yeah, happy 2024, man. New year, new things coming. I told you, man. You're gonna do something big today. This year, but yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Let me know what y'all thought about the haircut. And yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all very soon. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video very soon, man. Let me know any questions y'all have about cutting your hair, or any questions about barbers, about cutting your hair and all that. Let me know down in the comments below.
Bye-bye! Come back again soon, okay?